Guys, so in this video I will tell you that how to reverse a video on Snapchat. So first of all, you need to open up the Snapchat application here, and then you need to actually create a video that is at least 10 seconds long. Okay, so I will make a video here. So now what you can do here basically that you will find that filter here. Okay, so you need to actually scroll here, and this is the forward fil filter here, but you will see a reverse option here as well. Okay, so if you don't see, you like should update your like Snapchat app here. So as you can see that I don't have like the uh, reverse option here. Maybe this is still not available in my app here, but you can try this for yourself and you should see an reverse option here at this point. So guys, if you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.